Vine entered in library holding files. She walked to table and placed them neatly. Vine turned to leave Jungkook, already inside, watching her. As she passes, he catches her wrist. Jungkook, what? Jungkook pulled her slightly close. Where are you going? Vine, I have work. Jungkook, stay for a minute. Vine, look around. Nervous. Vine tried to pull her. Jungkook stopped. Jungkook smiled slightly. You were running from me. I was not. Then why are you leaving? Vine, look away. I am not leaving. Jungkook stepped closer, not letting her go. Then don't go. He moved closer teasingly. Vine breathed slightly uneven. Vine tried to move. Jungkook blocked her way. Vine lightly hit her. His arm moved. Jungkook, no. They both closed. Soft tension. Mr. and Mrs. John enter. They see both of them close. Vine quickly stepped back. Jungkook let go. Vine lowered her head immediately. Mr. John face hard, eyes sharp, anchor. Mrs. John beside her, shocked, disappointed. Jungkook, Dad, Mr. John, enough. His voice loud, cutting through the room. He take a step forward, eyes fixed on Jungkook. I give you work here. And this is what you do? Vine, eyes filled with tears, still looking down. You forget your place. His tone insulting. You are a servant in this house. And you dare to get close to my son? Jungkook, Dad, stop. Mr. John, ignore him. Mr. John, taking advantage of him, using his feeling. Jungkook stepped forward. Enough, Dad. His voice firm. Don't say anything about her. Mr. John looked at him, shocked and angry. You are defending her. Jungkook stand in front of her protectively. She didn't do anything wrong. Mrs. John stepped forward, eyes on Vine. I trusted you. Her voice cold hurt. Mr. John, I let you stay here and you broke that trust. Vine tears fall silently. Jungkook, Mom, please. She looked at Jungkook. Mrs. John, are you blind? She is taking advantage of you. Jungkook, anger rises. She is not. His voice strong, and I won't let anyone insult her. Mr. John, eyes darken. You have gone too far. Mrs. John, look at her with eyes cold. Mr. John, furious about holding him back. Leave this house. Family member present, all watching. Vine stand, frozen eyes tearing. Jungkook, no. Jungkook step forward, standing beside Vine. She is not going anywhere. Vine, Mr. John, eyes darken. You will not interfere. Jungkook, I will. His voice firm. Mr. John, this girl crossed all line. He looked at Vine with anger. A servant who forgot her place. Jungkook, stop calling her that. Vine mother enter worried. Vine mom, what is happening? She rushes to Vine. Vine mom, why are you crying? Mr. John look at her coolly. Take your daughter and leave. Vine mother, what? Mrs. John, your daughter has no shame. She tried to trap my son. Vine mom, no, my daughter would never. Mr. John, enough. His voice loud. Mr. John, both of you leave from here. Hejin step forward, smirking slightly, Hyun standing at the distance, watching everything satisfied. Jungkook stepped in front of Vine and her mother. No, no one will say anything more. His voice cold and strong. Mr. John, guards. Two guards step forward. Mr. John, take them out. Jungkook forward, step forward instantly. Don't you dare. Guard stop. Jungkook hold Ryan hand tightly. She's not going anywhere. He looked at his father. Without waiting, he pulled Ryan with him. They start walking away. Everyone shocked watching them. Ryan mother follow them behind. Hyun's smile fade slightly. Mr. John stands still, his face unreadable, eyes dark. Jungkook room. Vine crying heavily, unable to control, Jungkook pulled her into his arm. You didn't do anything wrong. He hold her tightly. Don't cry. Vine keep crying against him. They hate me. Jungkook tightened his hold. No one will touch you as long as I am here. He gently hold her face. Look at me. Vine look at him, eyes full of tears. I love you. Her lips tremble. I love you so much. He wiped his tears softly. I will never leave you. Never. Vine cries more emotional. She hugged him tightly. Don't leave me. Jungkook hold her close. I won't. His voice firm. I promise. He rested his head against her, both holding each other. Vine still crying, but slowly calming. Time skip. Mrs. Jones standing near window, arm crossed, face still angry. Door knock. She doesn't respond. Door open. Jungkook walk in. Jungkook stand there, serious. She doesn't look at him. I have nothing to say. Jungkook walk closer, but I do. She turns slightly, still cold. If you come to defend what you did, then leave. She is a servant. Her voice firm and clear. Don't forget that. Jungkook, I don't care about status. Mrs. Chon, I do. She doesn't belong here. Jungkook, she belongs with me. There is difference between you and her. Jungkook, there is no difference. Mrs. Chon, there is. Her voice rises. She steps closer. People like her don't fit in our world. Stop saying that, Mrs. Chon. Why, Mrs. Chon? It's the truth. Today she stands in front of you. Tomorrow she will pull you down with her. Jungkook shake his head. You are wrong. Mrs. Chon, I am not. Her, her tone cold. I will never accept her. Jungkook look at her, hurt but firm. Jungkook, I love her. His voice soft but strong. More than anything. Mrs. Chon looked at him, shocked for a moment. Her face turned cold again. Jungkook doesn't respond. If she leaves, I won't be okay. His eyes flicker slightly. You are my mom. You know me. Jungkook's eyes now clearly teary. I have never asked you for anything, but today I am. Please. Mrs. Chon looked at him, her anger slowly breaking. She looked away, trying to hold herself, her eyes slightly moist. You are making this difficult. Jungkook, I know. She take a deep breath. Her expression softened little by little. She looked back at him. Mrs. John, you really love her? Jungkook nods slowly. Yes. Mrs. John eyes fill slightly, seeing her son like this. Her voice softer now. I don't accept this easily. Silence. But she looked at him emotional. I can't see you like this. Jungkook look at her. She, if she make you happy, then I will not stand against you. Jungkook eyes widen slightly, relief and emotion hit him. Mom, she raises her hand slightly. Don't misunderstand. I am not fully agreeing. Jungkook eyes teary. He stepped forward and hugged her. Hallway. Jungkook walking fast, expression focused, going toward Ryan. Suddenly, multiple guards stepped in front of him. He stopped, eyes instantly dark. Jungkook, move. Guards, don't move. Guards, sir, please come with us. Jungkook, you think you can stop me? He stepped forward. Two guards grabbed his arm. Jungkook reacts instantly, pushes one hand. Jungkook punches him without hesitation. More guards rushes in. They hold him from different sides. Jungkook struggles, strength clear, but they are too many. Leave me. His voice low and dangerous. Guard tighten their hold. They drug him toward his room. Jungkook still resisting. They push him inside the room. Door shut, lock sound. Jungkook turned instantly, slamming his hand on the door. Open the door. No response. Jungkook panicked harder. I said open it. His voice itching, anger rising. Jungkook stepped back, breathing heavy. If I come out myself, none of you will stand. Silence outside. This is Mr. John order. His voice turned even darker. Then tell him. His voice deadly calm. He just made a mistake. Jungkook ran his hand through his hair, controlling rage. He looked at the door, locked door, eyes filled with anger. Jungkook stand still for a second, anger boiling. He suddenly turned and walked to the window. He tried to open it. It doesn't move. Jungkook grip tightened. He tried harder, still locked. Jungkook jaw tightened, locked. He stepped back, breathing heavy. He quickly checked his pocket. Jungkook frustration rising. He pat his jacket, then pat against nothing. His expression turned darker. My phone. He looked at around once more. Realization hit. Jungkook let out a sharp breath. They took it. His fist clenched tightly. He ran his hand through his hair, facing. Jungkook looked at the locked door, then window. His eyes burned with rage. Room filled with heavy silence. Vine sitting on chair, hand tightened, held clearly nervous. Mr. John sitting across, calm but intimidating. You are quiet. Vine keep her head down. Good. At least you know your place. She stand silent, taking it. Tell me one thing. He leaned slightly forward. What trick you use to brainwash my son? Vine finger tightened. She doesn't respond. Or is this your plan from beginning? Enter this house and trap him. Vine eyes slowly filled with tears. Still silent, Mr. Jones smirked slightly. He signaled one man standing nearby. The man stepped forward and placed a phone on a table. Look, Vine hesitated, then slowly looked video playing. Her brother Sivu getting bullied by school. They push him, laugh at him. Sivu crying. Vine eyes widen, heart breaking. Next clip. Teacher shouting at Sivu. Teacher dismissing him. Sivu crying loudly. Please don't do this. I didn't do anything. Video end. She looked at Mr. John, eyes full of pain. This is what happened to your brother, Mr. John. Because of you. Vine shake her head crying. No, please. And your mother. He leaned back, calm. I already removed her from her job. Vine eyes widen in shock. And I will make sure she never get work anywhere. Vine stand up, suddenly panicking. No, please, don't do this. They did nothing, her voice shaking. Please don't hurt them. Mr. John watching her calmly. There is a way to stop this. I will do anything. Mr. John leaned forward. Leave this house. Leave my son. Wine, eyes widened, tear falling faster. Mr. John, and never come back. Wine, stand frozen. That is the only condition. Wine shake her head slightly. I can't. Her voice weak. Then watch your family suffer. Silent. Wine cries harder. Please. Mr. John, don't act innocent. Like girls like you always aim high and ruin lives. Wine suddenly look up, pain turning into strength. I never ruined his life. Her voice shaking but firm. I love him. Mr. John eyes darkened. Love? He laughed coldly. This is not love. This is destruction. You are destroying his future. Wine, tears fall silently. You don't belong in his world, and you know that. Her strength slowly breaking. Mr. John, now decide you want love or your family. She remembered her brother crying, her mother losing job. Wine, I will leave. Her voice barely audible. Mr. John watching her. I will leave him. Her voice breaking completely. Not enough. Why look at him shattered. You will leave this country. Wine eyes widen again. You will never come back. You will not contact anyone. Not my son. Not even your mother or brother. Wine stand there completely broken. She stand there lifeless, tears falling about stopping without stopping, and she left. Wine walk out from Mr. John study room, eyes teary, step heavy from upstairs. Jungkook is brought down by guards, his face tense, eyes their eyes met. Silence deep, everything fade around them. Wine eyes fill instantly. Jungkook eyes already wet, breathing uneven. They just look at each other. So much to say, but no words. Jungkook tried to step forward. Flashback of Mr. Jones' voice in her head. Leave my son. Don't run his life. Wine expression break. Her gaze slowly drop to the floor. She can't look at him anymore. Jungkook eyes widen slightly, seeing her look away. Wine, his voice low, almost broken. Guard gripping him tighter. She doesn't respond. She start walking forward. She keep walking, tear falling. He also start moving forward. Guards controlling his step. Both walking toward each other. Each step heavy, each second painful. They come face to face, so close, yet so far. Wine still not looking at him. Jungkook look at her, eyes begging. Time feel froze. Then she take a step aside. He also move past her. They cross each other, their hand touching. Wine tears fall silently as she walked away. Jungkook stand still for his eyes closed, pain unreadable. He doesn't turn back. She also doesn't. 9. Wine standing near the car, step back, small bag in her hand. Her eyes slowly lift toward the mansion. She looked at Jungkook's room window closed, guard all off there, just staring. Her lips tumbling slightly, memories hit silently. Her grip on back tightened. She doesn't respond. Still looking at the window, guard voice firm. sit. While Luke slowly nods, her eyes fixed on the window. She opens the door and sits inside. She doesn't look away. Her eyes still on Jungkook's window, but tears keep falling. Car door closed. Car slowly began to move while still looking at that window until she slowly disappeared from the sight. Her tears fall without stopping. Next morning, hallway outside Jungkook's room. Morning, guard standing. Taeyong walked toward the door. Guard stopped in front of him. Sir, we have order. No one is allowed inside. Taeyong, stop. More. Move. Guards, we can't. Taeyong stepped closer. He's my brother. No one can stop me. He pushed the guard aside. Jungkook sitting on the bed, expression dark. He looked up at Taeyong enter. They lock eyes. Jungkook stands slowly. Why are you here? His voice cold, angry. Taeyong look at him, calm but sharp. Feels good. Silence. Taeyong, seeing you away from her. Jungkook eyes darken instantly. Jungkook step forward. What did you say? Taeyong doesn't move. You heard me.